Dila Congressman Benny Abante hindi naniniwala na kinidnap si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At saka, ginawa lang naman daw ni BBM kung ano yung tama base sa kasunduan ng ICC. Tingnan.
Sa akin, mahirap paniwala ang kinidnap eh. Can you imagine the president is being accused of kidnapping the former president? Samantalang nag-act lang ang Pangulo because there is a warrant of arrest given by the ICC.
Yeah.
Kahit na, for example, hindi na tayo member dyan because the former president, inunahan ni kagad yung mga bagay na yan para hindi siya mapatawag, no? Yet, kasama tayo dun eh. We are a member of we are a statute member of the ICC. So how can you prevent that from happening?
Ang hirap ma-explain sa mga taong close-minded regardless kung may mga ebidensya ka, ang dami ng, mga witnesses, pero wala pa rin. It doesn't make sense para sa kanila. Sa kanila is kung ano mang sasabihin ng boss nila or sa tingin nila kung na hindi mapapahamak yung boss nila, yun yung paniniwalaan nila. Anyway, I think ilang buwan na lumipas, weeks, days, na nakakulong ngayon si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. A lot of conversation happened, a lot of witnesses, a lot of evidence ang nabigay na. I think there's no reason for us to specifically provide or explain to this person kung anong katotohanan. Pero yun nga. Anyway, that's just my opinion. For me, let me know. For now, cheers, bye!